In this video, we're going to have a look at how to calculate a 1 hour course to steer. The question, at 10:46 on the 24th of May, you were in position 46 degrees 19.20 north, 006 degrees 20.40 west. What is the magnetic course to steer from your position fix to the waypoint in position 46 degrees 25.3 north, 006 degrees 14.00 west? To work through it with us, we need a plotter, divider, our Wade Trading Chart 3, the Trading Almanac, and a pencil. Step 1, we need to plot our position fix on the chart. We put a time next to it and we mark it as point A. Next, we mark our waypoint on the chart. And we mark a waypoint with a box with two lines through it. Mark this as point B. We draw a line from A to B and extend it through. This is our ground track line with two arrows, and it's the line that the vessel is going to be travelling down. It's not necessarily the line that the vessel will be pointing on. Step 2 is to work out the tidal stream for the hour of tide required. What is the tide between 10:46 and 11:46 on the 24th of May? Firstly, we need our tidal information. For the 24th of May, we have 0816 as our closest high water. Time zone UT for summertime, add an hour in the non-shaded areas. So that becomes 0916. We then take 30 minutes off and add 30 minutes on. This makes our of high water. We continue to add 1 hour after and keep going until we have the information we need. And we can see that 10:46 to 11:46 slots in between high water +2. We then go to tidal diamond B, high water +2, or 2 hours after high water, and we find that the information that we have is 341 degrees at 3 knots. Step 3 is to plot the tidal set and drift onto the charts, and we do this from position A. So the tide goes straight on there, and we mark this with 3 arrows. That's our tide vector. 341 degrees and 3 knots in this case. Step 4, mark the distance we expect to travel. And we're going to do this from the end of our tide vector, and it will intercept somewhere on our original ground track line. In this instance, we chose 9 knots as our vessel speed. We mark this with 1 arrow, and this is our water track line, which is also the course that the vessel is going to be steering. In other words, our course to steer. Once we have this line, we put a plotter alongside it and we measure it. This is our course to steer in true. And as you can see in this example, it's 061 degrees true. If we need to convert it to magnetic and then to compass, you may do if required.